luto na ta. Japanese food na food pakapina na to mirin, gochujang, omibushi, and then peanut, and then ground pork, and of course with somen. First, kuhaan sa na to biso ang ato ang omibushi, and then slice into small pieces. Okay, this is it. Na-slice na siya into small pieces. And then we're going to add mirin, 1.5. Mirin 1.5 teaspoon. 1 tablespoon of kosaji, 1 tablespoon of gochujang, and mix, and then set aside. Mix well and set aside. Magluto tayo ng ground pork and then the bell pepper. Cooking minute. Add the bell pepper. Medium heat fire lang tayo. Tapos, yan, once cooked, add na natin yung sauce. Mix well lang. Tapos, mag-boil lang ng somen. Boiled na po na kasi. Ito na po yung pinaka-base ng ating ginawa. So, base is somen. Tapos, lagay natin yung sauce sa taas. Ayan, diki agari. Just finish. This is our finished product.